Hello, Thomas. I'm back. Oh, hello, Percy. So, what's in the microwave? Oh, there's a burger in there. I wanted to eat. Oh, did you remember to remove the tin foil? I kind of forgot. Let's go check. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Holy crap! There's still tin foil! Wait, what? It's gonna explode! We gotta run! I'm jumping through the window, bro. Ow. Ow, that hurt. So bad. Uh-oh. Help! Help! Let me out! Let me out! Please! Help! Help! Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh. Thomas? Thomas? Thomas, are you okay?
Can't you see that I'm kind of dead?
Oh.